Welcome to the ultimate guide to financial success, top 20 money rules for young adults. In this video, we'll share the essential tips and tricks to help you navigate the world of personal finance. Let's get started. Rule number 1, create a budget. Know where your money is going and make a plan to save. Rule number 2, save for emergencies. Build an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses. Rule number 3, pay yourself first. Set aside a percentage of your income for long-term savings. Rule number 4, avoid debt traps. Steer clear of high-interest loans and credit card debt. Rule number 5, be mindful of your credit score. A good credit score opens doors to better financial opportunities. Rule number 6, start investing early. The power of compound interest can help grow your wealth over time. Rule number 7, balance your needs and wants. Prioritize your financial goals and make thoughtful spending decisions. Rule number 8, live within your means. Don't overspend to keep up with others or indulge in unnecessary luxuries. Rule number 9, track your expenses. By understanding where your money goes, you can make smarter choices. Rule number 10, set realistic financial goals. Break them down into smaller steps for achievable success. Rule number 11, be wary of scams. Protect your personal information and stay vigilant in the digital age. Rule number 12, negotiate for better deals. Don't be afraid to ask for discounts and better prices. Rule number 13, learn to say no to unnecessary expenses. Practice self-control and avoid impulse buying. Rule number 14, educate yourself on personal finance. Knowledge is power when it comes to money management. Rule number 15, build multiple income streams. Diversify your sources of income to increase financial stability. Rule number 16, insurance is a must-have. Protect yourself and your assets with proper insurance coverage. Rule number 17, build a strong network. Connect with like-minded individuals who can inspire and support your financial journey. Rule number 18, stay committed to your financial goals. It's a long-term journey, and consistency is key. Rule number 19, avoid comparing yourself to others. Focus on your own progress and financial well-being. Rule number 20, teach others. Share your knowledge and help others achieve financial success too. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Happy financial success!